If you are planning to design your living room or hall, then this video is very important for you. Today we are going to talk about TV unit design with price in India. TV unit is not only for keeping the television, but it also plays very important role in your home interior design, storage and overall look of your living room. So friends, in this video we will know different types of TV unit designs and latest TV unit trends, material options, size and storage ideas, and most importantly, price in India. So watch this video till end and choose the best TV unit design for your home and budget. So friends, a well-designed TV unit enhance the beauty of your living room, help to organize the wires, set-top box and speakers, provides extra storage, and makes your home look modern and premium. TV placed without TV unit looks incomplete, but it's good TV unit due to the finish and classy appearance to your interiors. So before selecting any design, remember these key points. Like ideal TV unit height is the 15 to 24 inches from the floor, and distance between TV and sofa depends on the screen size. And wall mounted units are best for small homes. Floor mounted units is suit for larger living rooms. So now we know materials used in TV units. The first one is the plywood plus laminate. It's mostly common material in India. This is durable and affordable. The price in India starting at TV unit 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees per TV unit. And MDF or HDF. These add the smooth finish and best for paint or polish. The price in India 500 to 700 rupees per square feet. And solid wood, this premium and long lasting. The price in India 1500 to 2000 rupees per square foot. Glass and metal combination, modern and stylish. The price in India 1200 to 1700 rupees per square feet. Now we know types of TV unit designs with prices. The wall mounted TV unit, these are best for small apartments or modern homes. These features like save the floor space and clean and minimal look. The price in India starting at 7000 rupees to going up to the 15,000 rupees. And floor mounted TV unit, second one. These are best for larger living rooms. Some features like more storage and traditional and modern look. The price in India starting at 10,000 rupees to going up to the 40,000 rupees. Panel TV unit design. These are best for luxury interior features. And wooden or marble panels and LED backlight option also available. The price in India 10,000 rupees to going up to the 50,000 rupees. And modular TV units, these are best for custom requirement. The features like factory